Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix restricted monetization on Facebook page. So first of all, go back to your screen and go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and double check if my Facebook app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just get back to my screen and scroll a little bit down. If you want to remove the restricted monetization monetization policy issue, make sure that your page meets Facebook's monetization eligibility requirements, and then go to the page's settings and click on the monetization tab, and then click the start button to start the monetization process so you can get to know it better, right? So your page needs to meet the Facebook eligibility into offering or be able to monetize your page into profit. So basically you're gonna be able to see right here, this is like a demonstration policy issue, and probably you will be able to see it, right? Your page's ability to earn is limited because it's not following our partner monetization. So make sure that your page follows the requirement. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.